Here we go, meal number 2. He's trying to lure the bigger ones down here so that the little guys can come and eat way down on the other side.
Where's your friend? Vesper?
Vesper, come on. Vesper.
Come here, Vesper.
Go on, Vesper. These are the 2 older ones that we like them to eat by themselves.
Come here. More.
Littles, where are you, Littles? Littles. Come on. Oh, there you are. Sorry, gang. I'm picking up the 2 containers. Hi, Littles. Come on.
Come here.
Come on. Yeah, I gotta split it up for the littles. Yep. This is their edamame and apples. Really enjoying it. You would think they hadn't been fed yet. He's trying to lure the little one away because she just is too timid and doesn't want to get. There he goes. Make sure she gets her fair share. It's kind of interesting. I guess chickens are maybe like dogs that will just keep eating and eating and eating until they maybe engorge themselves or maybe kill themselves if they ate so much. I know we need to be kind of careful on how much food that they're getting. So anyway, please like, subscribe, and ask me any questions in the comments or leave a comment for me. I really appreciate your support for my channel. Thank you. Uh-oh, here comes one of the big ones. They all run.